up guys, Chandra from TechSpace, and today we are going to be checking out the new Jetwood RC MJX Hyper Go 14210 clone, and it's also known as the H14BM on Amazon. So I would like to see what the top speed of this vehicle is going to be around the Velodrome today. So I'm really excited to see if we're going to get any quicker speeds than what we've already seen on YouTube so far. So firstly, I'm going to test it on the 75% mode on the ESC, and then I'm going to put it on the 100% power mode. And as you guys know, the Velodrome is famous for delivering quite action-packed RC car stuff. So stay tuned guys, so we can see what we are going to be getting. So inside of the car now is the stock 3S lipo battery, 2000 milliamp hours. You just see that it is measuring speed. Right, so there we go, 7.5 miles per hour. Right, so let's see what we can get. Right, that's full throttle. Oh, it's singing guys. Oh, epic stuff. Oh! Close call, close call. Okay, let's take it around one more time. Yeah! All right. Okay, let's bring it back. So what do you guys think? Yes, I do have it on the 70% function on the controller. The ESC, I believe, is on the fast setting. So what do you guys reckon? What do you guys reckon? I say 38.8 miles per hour. I'll put that kilometers per hour on the screen as well. So 38.8 miles per hour. So let's see if we put it on 100% mode, what we're gonna get. The included battery. Gonna zero it out again. Right. Let's just check that it is measuring speed. The controller is set on 100% at the moment. Right, let's just check that it is actually measuring it. Yep, 14.4 miles per hour. Right, let's see what we can get. Oh, it's singing guys. That is top speed. That is floor down. Epic, check it. Wow. It's really controlled around this track. Oh. All right, let's bring it back. What do you guys reckon? It's super fast. So, what do you guys reckon? What do you guys reckon? 45.5 miles per hour. So 45.5 miles per hour. I'll put it on the screen what it is on kilometers per hour. I'm putting in the graphene giant power 1300 milliamp hour 65C 3S lipo battery now. Let's see if we can get anything faster than 45.5 miles per hour. Okay, so I've installed the giant power 1300 milliamp hour 65C battery. Let's see if we can get any speed differences. Let's just see that the GPS is measuring speed. Yes, it is. Right, let's take it around. Definitely feels, I don't know if it feels faster. Oh, there it goes. Onto the grass. So that's all right, that's full speed again. Bring it around, it's jumping around a lot. Right, let's take it around. Whoa, wow, yeah, it's a little bit difficult. More power in it now. Just want to check the GPS that it didn't get any damage. Okay guys, so I'm not going to give it away, but it's already faster than it was previously with the stock batteries. Right, so let's go around again. Okay, so that's full tilt. That's full blast. Really struggling to keep it. Right, so it's jumping around a lot, going around the corner, probably just as the car is trying to make contact with the ground. Still going strong. Just want to calm it down a little bit. It is quite twitchy. One more time. All right, let's bring it back and see what we got. It is extremely fast, this car. So there we go, 47.1 miles per hour. That is a extremely fast top speed. I am really impressed. So it is definitely a lot quicker than the stock batteries. So what do you guys think about that? That is awesome. So that is the top speed of this car, guys. So let's quickly look at some FPV footage. So what do you guys think of this beautiful car from Jetwood RC? I think it really delivered on its performance promise. 47.1 miles per hour is a great speed, and it really shows just how quickly it can go with the right C-rated battery. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a like, and also if you have not done so yet, please consider subscribing to the channel. I'm John from TechSpace, and we'll see you in the next one. Cheers!
Yeah, let's go.